Hello, friends. Welcome to a very special adventure. Are you ready to meet our best friends? This is Luna. She loves to explore. And this is her best friend, Bibo, the smart robot with a glowing heart. Today, we are going on a journey full of colors and smiles. We will learn easy English words together so you can speak just like Luna and Bibo. Bring your energy, open your eyes, and let's see what happens today. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Where did my teddy go, Bibo? I've looked everywhere and the room is such a mess. We'll find it together, I promise. You see anything? It's so dark down there. Wait, I'll turn on my high-power flashlight. Oh, I see something furry hiding behind the box. Found it! Thank you, Bibo. You're accomplished. Look how my heart glows because you're happy now. Look at the butterflies. It's so magical. Let's enjoy the flowers or erase that blue one. This apple is so crunchy and sweet. You like the honey, Bibo? But watch out for the bees, Luna. Look at the flowers. They have many colors.
Red, pink, and yellow. It is a rainbow.
Ready, Bibo? Catch the ball. I am ready. I can catch it. Get ready, Bibo. I'm going to throw it really high.
Motors engaged! That ball isn't getting past my metal hands!
Here it comes.
Caught it!
Let's clean the room together. Yes, teamwork is fun. Listen, I like the sound of rain. It is cold outside, but warm inside. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Bibo. Thank you. I love learning with you. Good night, Bibo. Please stay with me. Good night, Luna. I am right here.
What a great adventure. We hope you liked learning with us today. If you love Luna and Bibo, please click like and subscribe to see our next story. See you soon. Bye-bye.